the OPB GSL project is another milestone in such march to formidable Coast Guard. Over the years, we have come a long way from importing vessels to indigenously building state-of-art ship. It is therefore extremely heartening to see a fine product of the indigenous industry realized through years of hard work, perseverance, and diligence. I take this opportunity to congratulate all personnel of Goa Shipyard Limited in making it a reality and furthering the Make in India initiative. Speaking of Indian Coast Guard, the Indian Coast Guard play a major role in protecting the wide-ranging maritime interests of the nation in the maritime zones of India and beyond. Since its inception in 1977, the Coast Guard fleet has steadily grown to the present level of 138 ships and 62 aircraft. Launching of these new ships as per schedule is absolutely essential considering the ever-dynamic maritime security scenario.
Commerce to ensure that your products can be accessible even to them. So you have a history of performance in exports. I wish the management now also gets competitive to say that not just the Indian captive market of the three armed forces and constantly keep asking MOD to, in a tone that is not becoming of a shipyard of this stature, a shipyard of this quality, a shipyard which repeatedly has proven that it can function much better than some of the private shipyards. You should now be able to have that confidence, that self-confidence to stand up and say, I know there's a market which exists in X country or Y country. Can Government of India now get going with getting us the orders from there? Help us to go and do that. That should be the tone and temperament rather than proving yourself qualitatively, proving yourself competitively in terms of pricing and quality, and after that saying, order books, can the MOD give us something? Oh no, you're capable of producing more, you're capable of doing better, you're capable of standing up and proving yourself. So please, put on that attitude. Put on that attitude to say, we are capable of competing globally, we want those markets, help us to do that. I want not just Goa Shipyard, but also every public sector unit, defense public sector undertakings, to look at themselves as manufacturers of international class, not just depend on your captive market, which is the defense forces, or the Navy, or the Coast Guard, but look at the world as the market which you can reach out to. In India, which is definitely a welcome sign. We want many private entrepreneurs, industries, and investments to happen so that there is a healthy opening up. Private and public together should contribute to India's manufacturing sector. Private and public together should give all that is required for a captive Indian armed forces, which is a market for everybody. They are buying and buying and buying, which is required for their operational capabilities, and therefore there is no grudge about buying. But can the buy be serviced by both private and public sector is a very important question, and that is where Prime Minister is inviting everybody to come and make in India has first of all enthused and encouraged Indian investors, Indian manufacturers to also get into private sector manufacturing abilities, which will cater to India's defense forces and their requirements.
Will indeed boost the Make in India campaign of the government. This will be the biggest project in the 60 years of history of GSL, and it will come with its own challenges. But we assure that GSL stands ready to meet all challenges and to ensure that we deliver the vessels as per schedule and up to the satisfaction of the Indian Navy and the government. This is certainly a big moment for the shipyard as it moves us into a league of select shipyards with capability to construct advanced weapon platforms. This would also provide an alternative strategic shipbuilding asset to the Indian Navy for frigates and corvettes. We are also very well placed to commence execution of the mine countermeasure vessel program for the Indian Navy as the infrastructure for construction is on verge of completion.